you trying to install a massive new app or update your system, but you keep getting that annoying not enough space alert? Today, I'm showing you the fastest ways to check your remaining disk space and find out exactly what's hogging your storage. Method 1. The System Settings Quick Look. The most detailed way to check your storage is through System Settings. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select About this Mac. In the window that pops up, click More Info. This will take you to the General Settings. Scroll down until you see the Storage section. You'll see a total capacity and a quick number for what is currently available. For a deeper dive, click Storage Settings. Here, Tahoe gives you a color-coded breakdown of your apps, documents, and system data. It will index all your files and give you the numbers. You can even click the eye icon next to a category to see exactly which files are the biggest culprits. Method 2. The Finder Sidebar Trick. If you want a quick glance without digging into settings, use Finder. Open a new Finder window and look at the sidebar. Under Locations, click on your Macintosh HD. Now, simply press Command plus I on your keyboard. A Get Info window will pop up showing your capacity, available space, and how much you've already used. It's the perfect quick check method. Method 3. The Desktop Shortcut. Want to see your disk space directly on your desktop? Open Finder, click Finder in the menu bar, and select Settings. Under the General tab, check the box for Hard Disks. Now your drive icon will appear on your desktop. Just click it once and press the spacebar. The Quick Look window will show you your available gigabytes instantly. That is how you stay on top of your storage in macOS Tahoe. If this helps you clear some room for your next project, hit that like button and subscribe for more Mac tips. Let me know in the comments how much space you managed to save today. Thanks for watching.